Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I couldn't wait. I need to get up this mystery diamond painting. Yeah, I'm very eager to find out what this is. It has 25 colours and I decided I'm just going to have to get it up and work it in and around everything else that I'm doing. So I'm going to use a 28 container slot. I was thinking of using one of my new ones, but my new ones with slightly longer parts to it. However, they have, it has 25 colours and the other one only has 21 slots. So I'll go back to my smaller basic because it is only a 30 by 30 and the actual canvas size itself is less than that. So it's about 24 across, but I'm really eager to see how this turns out. Now, all the bags seem to be numbered rather than, yeah, they've all got numbers on rather than having any numbers, you know, DMC numbers or symbols. So I'm going to do this in order, making sure that I cross-check things, because I don't want to mess this up, especially when you don't know what the image is and the symbol doesn't have any colour underneath it. I need to make sure that when I put them in my containers, I do it right, and then hopefully the image will turn out what it's supposed to be like. But yeah, I'm very keen to see what it is. So I have written out my labels, but that is because I wanted to give chance for my pen to dry, though I'm not sure how much chance I've actually given it. But we'll start with number 1, which is 154, and I'll see how much fits in out of the baggies. If there is too much for a tub, because this is only a 28 container and there are 25 colours in it already, if there are ones left over, I'm just going to leave them in the bag as my spares. I am going to get my tray actually. So I'm going to get my tray to tip them onto in case I lose any. So number 2 is what we want next, and that is 156. My labels are sort of in order. I've written them in pieces, so they're a bit all over the place. But as long as I cross-check everything against the canvas, I should be good to go. So that's number 2. Number 3. So that's bag number 3, and it is 157, which is right. We've got a nice load of blues, but yeah, I'm really eager to see what this image is. I will have to ask Fansells a bit more, I think, about these mystery images and whether they're different. Maybe I'll get a few more and see if they turn out to be the same or different. Okay, did manage to squeeze all those in, that's always good. I don't think I will with these though. Number 4, which is number 159. And I'm just going to do these all in DMC order. I think I'm just going to confuse myself and complicate things too much if I try and mix them up. But that bag still has some left. There's no way I'm going to fit them all in. So I'll put a comfortable amount in. And then number 5, which is the ampersand and 221. So I say I'm cross-checking all my numbers as I go along. And I'll always have the canvas there to be able to cross-check the bags when I do need to fill something up. So when something runs out, I can check the symbol against the canvas and then pick the right number bag. There's no point in doing another bag. Okay, number 6 is 317, which is this number 6. So we've got quite a nice, very nice colouring with all the blues and the greys. But yeah, I got rather excited with this one. Number 7, 334. Try and put it on straight because the last one wasn't too straight. A little bit of static, but not too much. Just that one There we go. One diamond that did not want to come out the bag. Okay, and then number 8, are we on Q413? We are. Even better. Let's get that one tipped in. I'm kind of liking these mystery paintings. I can see me doing more and more. Okay, number 9 is 797. So where was that one on here? I know I did have a mishap when I was writing out the symbols. I did completely miss a couple of symbols out, which is why I've got lots of different pieces to try and make sure that I don't make the same mistake when I'm kidding it up. I've got quite a bit of static on this one, but not too much. They're not jumping. They just don't want to come out the bag. Okay, so if I put number 9 out the way and move number 10 over, number 10 is 798. I don't want to confuse myself because the numbers aren't all in order. That next one is showing as being number 16. So I need to try and make sure I get the right bag in the right order. Okay, so that's bag number 10. So where's bag number 11? There. So if I put that there before I get rid of that. Number 11 is 809, which is the symbol T. We're all still good. I've not mistyped anything, or miswritten anything yet. Are these all going to fit in? Probably not. Very close though. I could possibly squeeze them in, but let's not make mistakes. Okay, so that was number 11. So I next need number 12, which is 819. And that's J, which is a very pale pink. These should all fit in fine. So we're doing well so far. We're in groups of 4 and number 12 has hit the last one in a row. So we've not missed any yet. I've just got one that does not want to get out the bag. Come on. There we go. And I've got one that fell in the tray. Can I get hold of it? There we go. So that's number 12. So the next one I'm going to need is number 13. And number 13 is number 823, which is a diamond. So if that's right, I am loving the blues in this one. Anybody who has watched me for a while knows I like my blues. Okay, pull up number 14, which is X, and it's 826. Yep. I did cross-check them as I was writing them out as well, but it definitely doesn't hurt to sort of do that quick triple check, especially when you don't have the colours to guide you. Okay, number 15. So number 15 is E, and that's 934, and that's right. Now I'm unsure whether to grid this one or whether to just let myself chase the colours. I think I might put my cover paper on it and grid it, because otherwise I will chase the colours everywhere. So number 16 will be the next one, which is B, and that is 939. And it looks like we have quite a few of these, so I think I'm definitely going to have some left over. Oh no, maybe I'm not. Maybe the bag looked fuller than I thought. Maybe it was the 939 that was making me think there'd be a lot. And they only fell out because I hit the tub. So let's get those in. Oh, I'm loving the colours, loving the colours. Okay, so that was number 16. So we're now on number 17, which is symbol 93041. And any of the numbers that I sort of recognise, with them being a DMC number, so far they're all matching up. So I do know that 3041 and 3042 are these purple type colours. So number 18 will be next, and that is Y, 3042. That's why I've got little strip of stickers. These are the ones I forgot. When I first wrote all the symbols, all of a sudden I just missed a batch. Okay, so that's 18. Grab bag 19. 19 is P and it's 3721. That's a correct. And get those in. And then we want bag 20. So bag 20 is 3743. So we've got some purpley colours in this one as well. I wonder what this one can be. This is a true mystery painting and I've not quite been able to figure out what it's going to be. There's quite a few of those though. They fill the bag. Let's pull over 21. Nearly there. So 21 is 3747. Symbol number 7. Let's see how these fit in. And this is some greys. Okay, it's borderline, but I think they're going to fit in if I can stop them jumping about. So let me just get them into the tray. It's very close though, but there is only a few diamonds left. So let's see if I can get them to go in. Oh yes, that's enough. And then we'll want 22, which is 3756, symbol number 1. And that's definitely 3756. I remember that symbol as well. I've got no 310, which makes it a good mystery painting already. So 22, that'll be 23. 23, letter H, 3778. All good. Get those in. Oh, exciting. Then number 24 is 3799, which is a very dark grey, and it's the letter A, so that all matches from what memory serves me from cross-stitching and diamond painting for a while. Let's see, are all these going to fit in? Yeah, I think these all fit in as well. Come on. One little rogue one. And then, oh, we've got one rogue one there, which I think is that one. Yeah, it is. And last but not least, 3835, which is number 25. And we have a bag number 25. So all the colours are there. All the symbols on my labels all match up. See if we can get all of these in here. Oh. I dropped a few in the tray anyway, so I may as well just tip the rest of them in. Get in. There we go. Right, if I take those two out, have a look at those colours. Gorgeous. Doesn't have a clue to tell you what it is though, does it? No, still don't know what it is. Okay, so I do have my little sticker on there just to tell me it's a mystery painting from Fansells and it's in a round. I do have 2 baggies. I could put those into a smaller mesh bag, but I quite often find if you've only got a couple of small, they'll just fit into these pots. So I'll just leave them like that. When I'm working on it, I'll just move them to the side and move them back. And then to get my painting ready, so my sheets are in the other room, and rather than get them, I do still have a few of the cover sheets that I got that are full. They come like this. They're about 6 by 4 inches, about the size of a photo. But I like to work on a size that is half that. So just to confirm, it is just under 15 centimetres. So I'm going to cut these to just under 7.5 centimetres, and that will give me 2 pieces that's in a size I like to work with, and that's just my personal preference. Of course, whatever your personal preference is. I know my daughter occasionally likes to cut it even half the size of that, but this is a nice size for me. So I'm going to take all the cover sheets off, and let's see how many. I think we're going to end up doing it that way. We're probably going to end up with quite a bit of overlay, so I'm just going to be generous in how I overlay it from the beginning. Just overlay quite a bit, give myself a bigger border, or in effect a smaller piece, so that each piece of cover sheet stays on the diamond painting. Line them up roughly. I do straighten them up to the actual diamonds on the page as I'm working on it, and then I can peel off however many dependent on how big a section I can do. So if I were to start in this bottom corner, I would probably peel off a couple and work from there, or I would do this section, you know, do the most prominent symbol, which for example is the B, and then I'd lift this up and see if I had any going further on. Really it depends how much time I've actually got to work on it, but I can move them about as and when. That will go in with my spares, and as and when I of course have finished a section of this painting, I will pop these in my little passport holder that keeps them all clean and tidy. But that is another project kitted up. Do keep an eye out for the review of this painting, because I don't know what the image is. And if you're looking for something a little bit different to do, then maybe this will be something that's just a little bit of fun. A little bit of fun, people. And yeah, let me know if you've done a mystery painting either at all, or whether you have done one of these from Fansells, and what you thought of the image once it was done. And I'll let you know my thoughts once I finished it. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.